Let me tell you one little tiny secret with all of you guys that we got a phenomenal response in our crowdfunding project we have developed on our channel. Hundreds of students have followed the complete project, and this is the project which you have to include in your portfolio. Recently, I have deployed the smart contract to our own blockchain, not Sofali, not hard hat, not localhost, but we have built our own blockchain where we have deployed the crowdfunding project. So I wanted to show you that what exactly we have developed and how powerful this project is, which can be easily configurable for any network which you want to deploy. So you will find that this is the complete project currently is live, and I have already created a couple of campaign. By the way, this complete project is already available on the YouTube. So you can come back here, simply type crowdfunding DApp and you will find that, or you can go back to the channel list and there you will also find it. You can also come back to the blockchain coder. There you will find all the resources which you need to develop this particular project. So you can simply follow step by step, including the details about the architecture we have included. So let's come back to the application. You will find that I have already created 2 campaigns. So if I want to donate in this campaign, I can do that. So first, let me check my network. You will see that I'm connected with the blockchain coder, our own blockchain. I can come back here and I don't have any funds. So I'll come back here, go back to account number 2 in which I have some funds. So if I come back here, if I click, I can see who donated in this particular campaign. If I want to donate fund, I can do that. I can give this to, and I will click on this donate and the transaction is happening. It's going to make a call. I'm donating and this will go to the contract. Let's click on this, confirm, and the transaction in the process. Once we'll get the confirmation, you will find the donation is completed. You can also check your MetaMask. We got the donation completed. And you will find the details. It's got raised 7 ETH. You can click here and you will find the details about the donation. In the same way, if you want to create a donation campaign or crowdfunding campaign, you can simply create. You can call whatever you want. You can give a brief description about your campaign. You can target the amount which you want to raise. So I'll go with, let's say, 15. I can set the date range that in which period I want to raise this fund. So I'll go with this one and click on this create campaign. It's going to create a campaign for you and you will see the details about the transaction. Click on this confirm and the transaction is happening. So how powerful we have built our own blockchain where we have deployed the contract and building our own smart contract and running our own DApp. So the transaction is completed and user have simply done the transfer. You will find this is all the campaign which I have created. If I go back to the different account, I can able to perform the transaction from different account as well. So I'll simply give a quick reload. You will find that I haven't created any campaign from this account. You will find that this is the campaign which we have created, like this one. There's no donation. If I want to donate, I can simply give my donation. Click on this donate and it's going to make a call to our smart contract. Click on this confirm. You can check your MetaMask and you will find the transaction is happening. Once the donation will complete, this fund will go to the contract and it will be there and it will update all the states. So you can see we got the donation, the 2 we have raised. And in the same way, if you want, you can create a campaign or whatever you can call. Let's call this one. I can come back here. I can give some brief details and I can provide that here. Let's give that, provide the amount. You can take the date range, go this, create on this create campaign and click on this and click on this confirm and the transaction is processing. You can come back here. You can see the transaction is happening and we have created the campaign. You can come back here and there you will find the one campaign which you have created. There is no fund into it. So it's a really powerful project. I must tell you to include this project in your portfolio if you really want to understand the fundamentals of crowdfunding and how marketplace behave. How are you going to build the relation between the particular void address to find out all the data, all the investment in that particular marketplace contract. So this is really powerful for you, for every one of you who looking to develop and build a project in decentralized ecosystem related to the financial model. So that's what we have. Again, I'm telling you all of this. The project is completely live on the channel, so you can simply follow. It's a 3-hour long project where we're going to build the smart contract, front-end, Web3 integration, and all the resources. The starter file is also given. You can also take the final source code to faster your development. So make sure to have a look. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely try to help you in that. So you can see that our blockchain, which we have developed, it's really powerful and it will work absolutely for all type of application. If you come back here, I would highly encourage you to check this one as well. If you really want to understand that what exactly we have developed, make sure to watch this video. You will understand every single thing. But focus on this particular project first. Try to build from scratch. After that, go to the next stage. If I give you a quick overview of the entire application, so this is what we're going to code. If you go back to the architecture, you will find that how we have designed the entire architecture for this application. You can see how we are making the call to the front end. We have the component, we have the state management, we have the Web3 wallet. You will find the crowdfunding, the DApp flow, that how the transaction will flow, how the transaction will execute. You will find the donation flow. You will find all of this model. That's all you will find. that what we are using and how every single thing will come together. So this one is the most important thing. Once you will understand and build your own architecture, it will be very easy for you to navigate and follow the entire project. So make sure to follow the complete project. Again, I'm telling you, that will give you a very good understanding about the smart contract and crowdfunding marketplace development. So that's the only thing I want to cover in this video. If you have any question, any doubt, do let me in the comment section. I'll definitely try to help in that. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.